Hi friends, let me show you this electronic toothbrush that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you open the box and you get two smaller boxes here. Okay, a user manual. Okay, instructions to use it. And in one box you get 8 replacement heads to brush your teeth. You can use one of them for 2 to 3 months, so it will give you like up to 2 years of use. This is the charging base, okay? So the actual charging is wireless. You have to wire the base, but the actual charging of the toothbrush is wireless. Let me show you. These are the heads. And here, the actual brush comes in a nice traveling case, okay? You can bring with you extra heads like this, the one you are going to use, and an extra one. The heads have this greenish color, green color in the middle part. As the green color fades, you know you have to change your brushing head, okay? You charge the head, the toothbrush just by putting it here. I'm gonna show you later. This is the charging cable that you will connect to the base, not to the toothbrush, okay? Like that, it's a USB-C port. And the head just goes just like that. Okay, so now let me show you. It has 5 different brushing modes and 3 speeds. It will turn off after 2 minutes of brushing, and it will let you know every 30 seconds, so you have to change your mouth quadrant. Okay, let me show you. You turn it on here, okay? It's kind of vibrating, okay? You change to the strength level, slow, medium, and fast, okay? I'm gonna leave it in slow. And you have 5 modes: whitening, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage. Every time you change the mode, the vibration pattern changes, okay? And you turn it off again, hitting this button. Perfect. Let me show you how to charge it. So we connect the base, and when you put it in, the small battery icon will come green. That means it's charging, okay? See? Comes green, okay? So it's easy to charge. You just have to put it there when you finish brushing, and that's it. Thank you.